In this quick guide, we'll show you how to add auto captions to your videos using CapCut. This is a super useful trick if you don't want to type every caption manually. CapCut can do it for you automatically in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your CapCut app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it if needed. Step 2. Open CapCut and import your video. For this example, we're using a video that already has voiceover. Now, 2. Add Auto Captions. Tap on the text button, then tap on Auto Captions. A menu will pop up with a few options. Choose your language, adjust any other settings if you like, then tap Start. Wait a few seconds while CapCut processes your audio and adds captions automatically. Once the captions appear, you can customize them. Change the font, color, style, and all the changes will apply across your captions. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily add auto captions to your videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.